following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee National Guard, the Alabama National Guard. A state of crisis has been effective until 9:07 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. This message was brought to you by EAS Plus and NBC Network. The creatures that was discovered yesterday have identified names: boyfriend and girlfriend. Boyfriend can also be named and described as Edgy Waffle, Cam, or Pete. These creatures was also discovered at the same height together. Due to so, all the states have fallen and made a state of emergency. All residents in the following states must do the following: evacuate. To evacuate, get into a nearby car and drive to the nearest shelter or bunker. Don't forget to bring supplies to your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. A civil danger warning remains in effect until 9:07 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:47 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a state of emergency from the Tennessee National Guard and the Alabama National Guard has fallen and made a state of emergency. This is not a test. To repeat once again, this is not a test.